Yo, what's up guys, welcome to this new video. So in today's video we are going to create a capsule collection. This will be the first episode of 3. In today's episode we are going to create the designs and mockups. In the second one we will print it, and in the third one we are going to create a low-cost product photo shoot and video using a phone. So stick around, let's get straight into the video. Let's start by creating a new Photoshop project. What I want to do for this video is to create a Mars inspired capsule collection, which will include in total 5 products or so, using 2 main colors, a brownish gold color and a simple gray color. I'm planning on printing them on short sleeve t-shirts and long French terry pants. Today I'm following a design seen on a jacket of Travis Scott. The main design will be a compact graphic with the project idea, so something that relates with Mars, my studio name, and some words or shapes to fill in some space and make it more complex. I'll even add a Japanese translation of the words "think differently" to make it more international and versatile. Okay, took a while, but I finally finished the main, let's say, tag that will add as essential graphic to each design. Now let's start creating some side graphic by using some Mars related images found on unsplash.com. I want to create a design that is created with the same color of the garment. To make the effect, I will use firstly the color selective correction tool, and then the map gradient option on top of the other one. For the first images, I will use an astronaut on Mars. Then I will do the same thing with the Space Landing Shuttle, airplane, and a Mars surface mountain. Okay, so now that we are done, let's add them on some mockups. I don't really like how the design fits on this long sleeve t-shirt, so I might change it later. So let's cut straight to the final design placed on the mockups.
Analyzing now. Analyzing now.
Let me know what you think in the comments about these designs. Remember to stick around and see how I produce them and make a photo shoot and promotional video. Thank you guys, we arrived at the end of this week's video. See you next week.